Today I am going to show you how to install Virtualbox on your computer.
Google for Virtualbox. Then open this website. Click on Downloads. Click on Windows Hosts. Download it. I already downloaded it. Then open the downloaded file and click Next to install it. Now installation is complete, click Finish and open it. Here comes the Virtualbox. You can add new virtual machines from here. Linux machines, Windows machines, etc. I will show you the process of installing different types of operating system in my next videos. Thanks for watching.